Hello, everyone. I am still trying to get over this awful virus. However, so I did manage to get outside on a couple sunny days that we have, and of course, Dexter had to keep getting in the way everywhere I went. But we finally had a couple days where it was not raining. It was in the upper 50s and lower 60s degrees temperature wise. So I did get out, even though I wasn't feeling quite completely well yet. It just felt good to get outside a little bit. I spent about an hour or two outside both of those days, and I think I got about 29 of, if I counted right, I think I have 54 roses, including all of my climbing roses. So I think I got just a little bit over half of them done. I normally use President's Day as that is the time that I get out there and prune my roses. Some people in the Pacific Northwest, you should do it in February or the first part of March. Some people like to do it in early February. I don't like getting it done quite that soon because it's still awfully cold in early February. And so I use President's Day as my day to go out and get the pruning done. The latest I have ever pruned them was March 11th, and now we are past March 11th, and I'm still only halfway done. But sometimes life throws curveballs at you, and you just got to deal with what's been given. And speaking of curveballs, life certainly has thrown their fair share at us recently. And I just got thrown another one today, so I'm going to have to cut this video short because it is going to cut into my edit time and my energy today. So I will probably explain when I finish the rest of this video on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. I may not get all my roses done this year, or I may lose some of the blooms if I decide to prune them off and they've already grown all of their buds. But I am happy that I was able to get outside despite not feeling well still, because the sun and getting out in the garden just is like a uplift to my soul and instantly made me feel a little bit better. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Sorry I had to cut it quick and that it was so short. I'm going to try to post the rest of the part of this video either Tuesday or Wednesday next week, plus the regular Saturday one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.